Well, we are celebrating good times because that temperature in the FM area warming up. And now we take a look into Grand Forks as we have blue skies and sunshine aplenty in the Northern Valley as well. Let's take a look at peak temperatures once again today. We did reach 2 above in Fargo. Mahnomen at that same reading. Second straight day of single digits above in Grafton and Grand Forks, holding on to sub-zero in the Devil's Lake Basin. But other than that, we are seeing that cold weather begin to sail away. And good riddance, because it's been here long enough. 2 above right now, so we're at the high temperature for the day. Wind is from the southeast, strong enough to make it wind chilly out there, but this is easy by recent standards. So again, all in all, pleasant temperatures. And take a look at the warmest weather. It's in the trees of Bemidji and Baudette. Again, those pine trees standing tall with their green foliage, warming up substantially more than the mounds of snow do. And then they radiate heat, keeping things a little warmer. It's called that pine tree effect. 3 in Thief River Falls, 6 in Jamestown, Gwinner, 5 degrees and wind chills between 10 and 20 below as we head into your evening. Take a look at the cold air. It has dove all the way south into Texas, where they have had a round of snow, as we've seen and witnessed. And temperatures are here where you see that black blob. There's sub-zero in and around Omaha. Dallas is at 19, Tulsa's at 12, and when we look at the radar, that freezing air all the way down into Houston, and we have another round of snow making its way through the deep south tonight. Accumulating snow, the pink, as we know here, is ice. Second round of that for many in portions of central and southern Texas, where winter storm warnings continue for Oklahoma, Arkansas, and much of Texas, as well as Mississippi. For us, we're seeing less of this wind chill, but we do have an advisory in our area for the overnight hours. The wind southeasterly, helping to warm things up this evening as we head toward the 10 o'clock hour. Air temperatures will be around 10 degrees below zero as we head into the overnight hours. The wind will be strongest in our western counties during the overnight. That will help keep you a little milder temperature-wise. And by morning, we're going to see a few clouds start to push into the region as a little weather wiggle makes its way through the central plains. So we can't rule out an isolated snowflake as we go into your Wednesday morning. Air temperatures, no more 30 below zero readings. We're done with that. That's fantastic. We could see some 20s below in places like northern Beltrami County, the Red Lakes area, maybe even Roseau County. I expect many of us, though, to start our day out around 10 below zero and wind chills between 20 and 35 below. And I'm smiling. I don't know why. That's cold, but it still seems like better news than we've had for the last 10 days. Now, southeast winds, clouds, spotty flurries, mainly south and southeast as temperatures rise by midday to near zero and above zero. And then that means the whole afternoon continuing to rise into the single digits to around 10 degrees above in our southern counties. As the weather wiggle exits east, the clouds will stick around. That means we don't get as cold tomorrow night once again. So we start out near 10 below. Cloudy skies, can't rule out a flurry. Temperatures in the afternoon above zero. As mild as 6 degrees or so in Fargo, then temperatures slowly fall back down to near zero by bedtime tomorrow night. A snapshot of your hometown forecast shows 10 near the South Dakota border and single digits and mid-single digits at that across the remainder of the valley, including you in the Devil's Lake Basin. All right, this photo from the Fergus Falls area. I'm assuming this water is on the Otter Tail River where it is ice-free. That warm water evaporates quickly, making evaporation or steam fog there. Beautiful picture, Debbie. Thanks so much for sharing. Planning forecast. Warming trend continues. 20 by Friday. The weekend, we've seen improving conditions continue to be advertised by models. 25 on Saturday, near 30 with a chance of snow. It's a small chance, mainly in our southern counties as we go through the weekend. Monday might bring a slightly better chance, but look at those temperatures, near 32 in Fargo. All in all, looking pretty fair, Stacy, as we go through the weekend ahead.
That was super relatable. I'm smiling, but I don't know why.
Well, find a way to stay cool. Don't forget, stay hydrated during all this heat.